guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. Welcome back to my channel, like I said 5 times before. So today it's a fun day. It's Empties Day. I've been doing such a better job of actually kind of sticking to a plan to review recent empties because I have a bucket over there that are probably from like almost a year and a half ago. And it's just at this point I'm like, do I need to go through it? I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see if I get to it. But let's just jump in because empties are fun. They kind of tell you, would I repurchase? Have I repurchased? Do I love it? Did I love it? Blah, 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 blah. You know the drill. We don't need to talk about what an empties video is. Okay, so in no particular order, like always, I'm going to go through my empties. So the first one I have, I've talked about this probably 3 or 4 times already. This is the EMPTIES SuperDose Vitamin C Oxygen Boosting Moisturizer. This is spectacular. I have bought 2 replacements. I was just using it this morning. That's why this one is on my desk. I don't know what to say. It's like a really fabulous moisturizer that doesn't feel too greasy. It doesn't feel too over the top. You can wear it during the day. I don't really wear it at night. It's definitely like a daytime one for me. But it also has this shimmer. This like, actually you can see it underneath my sunscreen today. It's got this little like iridescent, not iridescent in a bad way, but like glow boosting shimmer, shine, I don't know, to it that I freaking love. If you can wear it under an invisible sunscreen, which is what I did today, which was what that other video was on, chef's kiss. I love this stuff. It doesn't have like a great scent to it, but I actually don't mind it. But I don't buy things because of the scent. I buy them because are they efficient? Are not efficient? Are they effective? And this is cheap. Beauty Pie is such a good deal. Like if you are looking into a few of them, I would highly suggest just getting the membership. You'll find a lot of things on there. And I am doing a Beauty Pie video once I get a few more products in. But absolutely would repurchase, have repurchased, love it. Now I put this in this video even though there is just a tiny bit left, probably like a few applications, but I just wanted to talk about it because I wanted to talk about it. So it's nearly empty. This one is the COSRX, how do you say that? I can't say it fast. Snail Mucin Power Essence. You've probably seen this. If you watch any beauty videos, you've probably heard about this. I was skeptical, but I am a believer. Out of all of the essences and like, you know, I don't know, hydrosols, that's not a word for this. It would be this one and then one of the Lumene, the blue one, I forget the name of it. Those are the 2 essences that I have found that I like. This one just gives you this nice plump skin. I feel like it's a good base for putting all your other products on. Once I finish this, I'll probably go a little bit without using it and then I'll probably repurchase because this is that kind of thing where you're like, what's missing in my life? It's not noticeable, it's so subtle. But this stuff is spectacular, so the hype is real. I bought some makeup removing wipes because when I travel, sometimes this is super convenient. These are plant-based towelettes. So in my mind, one of the reasons that I don't like other makeup remover wipes is because like it's just a lot of waste. But if this is plant-based, I was thinking maybe they disintegrate a lot easier and quicker and better for the environment. So I did like them. They were so spectacular. But it is nice to have if you're just like trying to get some eye makeup off or if you're traveling in a rush. That's kind of what I use it for. I don't use it as my only cleanser. I will probably not repurchase this brand because I'm trying out different kinds, but it was good. I think my only thing with makeup remover wipes is I wish they had more moisture to them. A lot of them, they feel so dry even when you just open it. Okay, now speaking of makeup remover or cleansing balms, this is the Lumene Nordic Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. So this is one of my favorites. I don't like the smell, even though I love cloudberry scents. This one has a weird scent, but this is a great, great, great value. So if you are looking for one that really does the job, takes off all your makeup, doesn't leave a film, and is cheap, I would say this is a great option. If the scent doesn't bother you or like some things that are scented don't bother you, this is a good option. But I do have a few others that I do love. Maybe a tad bit more because this one can be a little thick in the consistency, and I've actually found that ones that come in this kind of tube are thicker, and it's probably something to do with like you have to squeeze it out and you know like that's how it is best delivered versus being super liquidy. But it's a solid one. I don't know if I will repurchase it at the moment because I'm still testing out lots of other cleansing balms, but in the future if I'm in a drugstore and I see it, I would definitely repurchase. We have the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I will give you a spoiler alert. I've already repurchased this, so this is an instant repurchase. I love this stuff so much. It is one of Sunday Riley's best creams. Now, they have a few that I really like, but if you're looking for like just this like moisture on your face that like lasts and you can sleep in it, you can wear it during the day if you have super dry skin, and then some vitamin C properties, this is the one for you. It does have a bit of a scent, kind of like citrusy, so that could be a big deterrent for some people, but I think this is one of their most spectacular creams. Now, the ice one by them leaves a bit more of a film, but this is just your typical really moisturizing, hydrating. Okay, we have a lot of skincare today. This one is the Rhode Barrier Restore Cream. So I bought these and I was like, what did I do? Why did I buy this? Like, I kind of regret it. I don't regret it, but I don't know if I would repurchase this. This is supposed to be a barrier cream, a super rich moisturizer, and it's cheaper than the Sunday Riley for sure. But I think there's something about it, like, I don't find it spectacular enough. It's rich, it is, but it's not the richest. And so there's no scent to it. That's part of the thing. They're not supposed to be scented. But I think because of that, I actually find the experience to be a little lackluster. So time will tell if I will repurchase it. But if you do have very sensitive skin, this is a good option. Although I had like some dry, like rashy thing on my nose the other day, and I put this on and it still stung. So just because it's unscented doesn't always mean it's great for sensitive skin. But you know, it's a TBD, this one. This one's a quick one. This is the Vichy Mineral 89. It's supposed to be like a hyaluronic acid serum. You could buy any hyaluronic acid serum. I mean, go with the Inky List one. I know people love that, and it will do a better job. This just was a lot to do for nothing. Much ado about nothing, just like Shakespeare said. For good reason is this Naturium Half Step Flash Facial. I talked about this recently, and I will be talking about it again. I am doing away with this. I probably still have this much left of it, but I can't do it anymore. Like, it is the one that irritated my face. The middle of my face just became like this red, itchy, stingy mess because this stuff is so strong. It's lactic and glycolic acid, which are two things that my face loves and can tolerate. But for whatever reason, and I don't leave this on too long, this stuff is so powerful, so be warned that if you have anything to do, like anything near sensitive skin, this will probably destroy your face. Even for those of you that don't have sensitive skin, I just think whatever they've done, it's too much. Like, hard pass, will not repurchase. Actually, I'm not going to use the rest of it, which is rare. This is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. So I'm kind of on the fence about this. I think it did really nice things to my hair when I was using it. So it's like, while it works, it's not actually fixing your hair maybe. And it's so expensive that I can't justify using this forever. So I'm gonna pass on this. It will not be a repurchase, but I think it does work really well. My hair is nice and smooth and everything, but I have lots of other things that do the same for a lot less money. Okay, we've got another moisturizer. Surprise, surprise. So this is the iNNBeauty 10+10 Moisturizer. Wow, I never got that. It's kind of like a middle ground. Unlike some of the others that I had today, it's not super hydrating. It's not meant to be. It's like a normal cream, I guess. I really, really enjoyed this, but I don't think I enjoyed it enough to repurchase it at the end of the day. That said, I have tons of moisturizers, so me like not repurchasing it is not the worst indictment on it, but I just think it's a little overpriced, and out of their brand, it's not my absolute favorite. But you know what? Who knows? Maybe when I get through all of my other moisturizers, I'm gonna be like, I need this one back in my life. It's very soft, it's very smooth, it doesn't pill, it works well with makeup. It's a great moisturizer, so if you are willing to try it, want to try it, I would say give it a go. Maybe you'll love it. Okay, lastly, we have the Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub. This one is in lavender. So I actually have another brand. What's the brand? I can't think of the brand. But I have another scrub that I've been trying to. And I thought I was gonna love this Epsom salt, or this Dr. Teal's one, especially with lavender. But I found it to be just kind of average. So I think the other brand, which I really can't think of, but one day I'll talk about it and maybe I'll put it up here. I think that one I like better. The lavender in this was nice, but you know, you rinse it off, so I I think it's a fine scrub. There's nothing spectacular, so that's all I have to say about that. Alright guys, my face is getting continuously redder and redder and redder, and I have to go cut the grass, which is fun. What is it? Very hot out? Probably. So I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Have you emptied any of these? Have you been looking into any of these? And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!